Welcome to today's video. We're about to embark on a journey, a quest if you will, to uncover the secrets whispered on the winds of city country. This isn't your typical travelogue. We're going off the beaten path, venturing beyond the well-trodden tourist trails. From mysterious landmarks cloaked in shadow and history, to hidden places where time seems to stand still, these stories will reveal a side to city country few have ever witnessed. Let's begin, shall we, and delve into the hidden heart of this remarkable place. Our exploration begins beneath the very foundations of city. Shrouded in darkness lies a network of tunnels. These passages once carried secrets, smuggled goods, whispered hopes of escape. To tread these tunnels today is to walk in the footsteps of history. The silence broken only by the drip of water, each drop a tick of the clock. Portions have been carefully excavated, offering a glimpse of city's hidden past. We ascend now back into the sunlight and find ourselves gazing upon the iconic silhouette of famous landmark. It stands as a proud sentinel, a symbol of city country itself. Millions have passed beneath its shadow, marveling at its grandeur. But we, with a knowing glance, direct our attention to a detail so small, so easily overlooked, that it has remained hidden in plain sight for centuries. There, etched into the stone, almost imperceptible to the untrained eye, lies a symbol, its meaning, a mystery, a riddle whispered down through generations. Was it a tribute, a secret love letter etched in stone, or perhaps a coded message left by the architect, a hidden signature on his masterpiece? The answer, like the symbol itself, remains elusive, adding yet another layer of intrigue to this timeless landmark. Our journey takes us now to a place of quiet contemplation, a sanctuary from the city's clamor. Here, in a secluded corner of city country, the very air seems to hum with an unseen energy. Stand in this precise spot, close your eyes and listen. A whisper carried on the wind, an echo of something long past. This, my friends, is the enigma of the mysterious sound phenomenon. Some believe it to be a quirk of architecture, the very structure of the surroundings conspiring to create this acoustic anomaly. Others whisper of more ethereal explanations, of spirits lingering, their voices carried on the breeze. Whatever the cause, the effect is undeniable. A symphony of silence that leaves a haunting melody in its wake. Chapter 4, The Lost Garden of City, a Secret Eden. Imagine, if you will, a hidden oasis nestled amidst the urban sprawl, a place where time seems to slow, where the air is thick with the scent of jasmine and honeysuckle, where sunlight filters through a canopy of leaves, painting dappled patterns on the mossy ground. This, my friends, is the secret garden of City, a sanctuary unknown to most, a jealously guarded secret passed down through generations of those in the know. Here, amidst the riot of color and fragrance, one can almost forget the city that lies beyond the garden walls. Exotic blooms, their petals painted in hues unseen in the wild, reach towards the sun, their beauty a testament to the enduring power of nature, even in the heart of the metropolis. Chapter 5, The Secret Ingredient. Our journey takes us on a culinary adventure exploring city country's rich gastronomic heritage. We delve into the mystery of traditional dish, deeply ingrained in local culture. What is the secret behind its unforgettable flavor? It's a tradition passed down through generations, an unusual ingredient, a rare herb, or a unique cooking technique, a dance of flame and spice. This secret infuses traditional dish with authenticity and depth. The haunted mansion of City, where shadows walk. As dusk settles over City, casting long shadows across its streets, we turn our attention to a place cloaked in an unsettling quiet. Standing on the outskirts, shrouded in overgrown vines and an air of melancholy, is the haunted mansion. Its windows, like vacant eyes, stare out blindly, reflecting the dying light. Locals speak of strange occurrences, of lights flickering in the dead of night, of disembodied whispers carried on the wind. It's said that the mansion's former occupants, their souls tethered to the ground, still roam the halls, their presence felt in the cold drafts and unsettling noises. Though off-limits to the public, the mansion stands as a haunting reminder of the city's past, a place where the veil between our world and the next seems to thin. Chapter 7. echoes of festivity, reviving a forgotten tradition. Our journey takes us now to a celebration of City Country, is vibrant cultural heritage, a festival once lost to the mists of time but now experiencing a heartening revival. Imagine, if you will, a time when the streets of City Country throbbed with the rhythm of music, the air alive with the intoxicating beat of drums, the laughter of children and the swirl of colourful costumes. This was the Forgotten Festival, a joyous occasion that celebrated reason for the festival. Sadly, as the years turned into decades, the festival faded from memory, its traditions surviving only in hushed stories told by elders. But recently, a group of dedicated individuals, their hearts filled with a desire to honour their heritage, have breathed new life into this forgotten celebration. Chapter 8, A Literary Labyrinth, The Hidden Bookshop. Tucked away from the bustling avenues and neon lights, hidden in plain sight down a narrow alleyway, lies a sanctuary for bibliophiles and lovers of the written word. Look for no grand storefront, no flashing neon signs, for this bookshop announces itself with nothing more than a discreetly placed sign, its lettering faded with time. Step inside and you'll find yourself transported to a world where the scent of old paper mingles with the comforting aroma of well-worn leather bindings. The shelves reaching towards the ceiling groan under the weight of countless volumes, each one a portal to other worlds, other lives. Here you'll find first editions nestled alongside forgotten classics, their pages filled with handwritten notes, marginalia left behind by previous readers, their thoughts and dreams echoing through the ages. Chapter 9, City Country's Secret Cove, a Hidden Paradise. Our journey takes us away from the city to a place of tranquility and breathtaking natural beauty. Imagine a pristine beach, its sands untouched, caressed by turquoise waves, hidden from tourists, accessible only by a coastal path or boat. This is City Country's Hidden Cove. Here, time seems to slow to a crawl. The air is alive with seabirds and the whisper of the wind through palm trees. The clear water shimmers in the sunlight, inviting you to explore its depths. The enigma of the stone carvings. Deep in City Country's wilderness lies a site of profound significance. Shrouded in mystery, these ancient petroglyphs await decipherment. Imagine stumbling upon carvings etched with strange symbols. Were they astronomical charts or messages from shamans? Scholars puzzle over their meaning, theories as varied as the symbols. And so our journey through the hidden heart of City Country draws to a close. We've ventured from the depths of its subterranean labyrinths to the sun-drenched shores of its secret beaches, from forgotten festivals brought back to life to the silent whispers of ancient stone carvings. Each of these hidden gems, overlooked by the casual observer, adds a layer of depth and intrigue to this already fascinating place. If you're planning a visit, I urge you to seek out these hidden treasures. Step off the well-trodden path, embrace the spirit of adventure, and discover the soul of City Country that lies hidden in plain sight.